Hello. So, have you ever wondered why two dark-skinned people or two brown-skinned people give birth to an albino baby? Albino, whatever. Or in an instance where the father or the mom only is an albino and then the other one is our normal color, but they still give birth to an albino baby. And this has to do with genes, alleles, expressivity, penetrance, all these intricacies involved with inheritance. And they may sound big, right? But if you come to join us in this workshop we are doing at DNA Learning Center, we will help you, we'll teach you more on inheritance. You get to understand and know what these things mean. So it's from the 20th to the 22nd of March. The link is below. You can click on the link to register. Can't wait. Come and join us. Bye.